Hello, I'm your coding yar and we'll be adding this hover effect to a bootstrap card. This is a Bootstrap 5 starter template. Since it's only 3 lines of CSS, I'll be using the style tag. I'm using the basic bootstrap card. Add an image. I'll add a margin so you can see it properly. Let's change the border color on hover. I'll be using the button color as the border color. Also add a box shadow on hover. Set X and Y to 0, blur radius to 10 pixels, and spread radius to 2 pixels. Let's use the same color. It's too bright, so let's modify the opacity. I'll set it to 0.6. Lastly, to have a smooth animation feel, let's add a transition. You can also set different time for box shadow and border color. That's it for this Bootstrap card hover effect. Thanks for watching.